The next indicator for this target, 8.5.2, unemployment rate by sex, age and persons with disabilities. Slow recovery in the labour market as unemployment remains above pre-pandemic levels. Although global unemployment declined significantly in 2022, down to 205 million from a peak of 235 million in 2020, it remained 13 million above the 2019 level. Rising geopolitical tensions, including the Ukraine war, an uneven recovery from the pandemic, and ongoing bottlenecks in supply chains have contributed to deterioration in global outlook for labour markets. Global unemployment is projected to edge up slightly in 2023 by around 3 million to reach 208 million, corresponding to an unemployment rate of about 5.8%. While unemployment rates increased in 2020 in all regions because of the pandemic, there was considerable variation in recovery. In 2022, unemployment rates fell below their pre-crisis levels in Latin America and Caribbean, North America and Europe, and Australia and also New Zealand. Although the unemployment rate fell below the pre-pandemic levels for Western Asia and Northern Africa as well, the regions still had the highest unemployment rates globally at 10.1%. In all other regions, unemployment rates remained above pre-pandemic levels. The pandemic affected women and youth in labour markets more prominently compared to men and adults. However, the recovery differed for these groups. By 2022, the gender gap in the unemployment rate was close to its level in 2019, since a stronger employment recovery among women coincided with a recovery in women's labour force participation. Women and men are projected to experience similar changes in unemployment rates in 2023 and 2024. Yet, women remain more likely to be unemployed than men, particularly in Western Asia and Northern Africa, where unemployment rates for women have remained twice that of men since 2015. The situation remains grim for young people aged 15 to 24, as they continue to face severe difficulties in securing decent employment. The global youth unemployment rate is 3 times as high as that of adults, with 2022 rates at 14% and 4.4% respectively. Despite the negative global economic outlook, unemployment is projected to increase only moderately, since a large part of the shock is being absorbed by falling real wages in an environment of accelerating inflation. This explains why the number of unemployed youth did not increase in 2022.